Brisbane Airport, Friday the 13th of February 2015. I'm waiting on the Tiger flight from Sydney with friends, Rob and Irene on it, and we'll proceed to Irene from here. There's a Tiger flight coming in, landed, and of course coming up to the he was going to taxi in, and it will come off there.
I wonder if we wave, they'll see us.
It's coming into gate 32. And meanwhile,
I'll
in the
take the
background,
orange to one too.
The yellow line.
Qantas and
Both of them.
Jetstar.
Take a video. He's done. That under at the front. So you
Well, we've come round to the station. It's just starting to rain. It's blowing in, and we're about to board the train.
Okay.
We're at the Caxton Thai restaurant here, and we're just having a little bit to eat here. And here's everybody. Yep.
Oh yeah, it's very common everywhere. Yeah, yeah. What house of people? Number 6.
Mount Cootha. I don't know whether this is going to come out too well on a movie, but I'll get a gradual view around. This is like it's a restaurant there, and very gradually move around and get the cities background there. So that's the city of Brisbane, and the lights go right round, and
On their way. Oh, you came down here, right? Yeah. I guess I'm too west to be straight.
here we are, Saturday the 14th of February, and it's actually Valentine's Day, but we're heading off today to go to the Gold Coast. We've got Rob and Irene are heading down the street, and away we go. Bundamba Railway Station. Taking this train to Darra, and then we're getting on a bus to Toowong. Oh, okay, we're getting a bus here to Toowong now.
And then we actually know the drivers. And they're like, oh, we can go this way today and do this.
There's the rail bus at Coyle. We're at Toowong, just waiting for the bus to go to university. At the Queensland University, and we got I had Rob and Irene having a look at that as we walk through, and we head around towards the ferry. Coming up to the City Cat terminal at the Queensland University. This is the Brisbane River at St. Lucia and the University. And just waiting for the next City Cat ferry. I'm not sure.
Oh, you stay on.
Stay on? No, well, we do get off it, but yeah, you do. Otherwise, you go right up to the north side. This is the City Cat ferry coming in, and it will circle around and pick us up. Evolution, but it sort of carries a little bit of a message about something went gone, some drugs, yeah, that you know, that speeded up the brain function or whatever. Anyway, this is West End.
The West End, it's our second stop.
Yeah, we're doing 5 stops and we are off.
Oh, this is it. Front stop.
Bus going along this Coronation Drive, it's called. So here's the ferry wharf, Milton. Yeah, looks like something coming. Just might get lucky. I don't know. Yeah, we've got some rain. There's the railway bridge we went over. It's called the Maryvale Bridge. There's an Arctic.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah. I thought we kind of stopped a little bit earlier. I don't know. We'll get off at the next stop, walk through to the station and get a train anyway, so there's no problem. There's another bridge that they put up for pedestrians and I've never walked over it.
It's a nice one, actually. Very fancy.
It's an unusual, isn't it, the design?
I like the style of this building.
Yeah. It is. Going into the city here at North Quay. Then we go across the South Bank. This is where we have to go, actually. We're at the former expo site here at South Bank. We're heading around towards the railway station and then heading off to the Gold Coast. We're just having a bit of a look as we go. Capital Avenue and Service Paradise, and the tram is here and heading our way. Well, we've made it to Service Paradise, and there's a general view of the beach. Yeah, and we just going to have a look at that, and then we're going to get a tram up to Southport and a bus to Howlands Vale, and eventually make our way to towards Brisbane and home. So we've got a couple of bus trips that we didn't really expect. Well, we're doing that today anyway with track closures. Here we go. Oh well, we're on the train at Darra and we're about to go home, and we've had an interesting day with a couple of bus substitutions instead of the trains. And the other train is sitting over there for Springfield line, and anyway, so I had an interesting day, and Rob there and Irene will be heading off tomorrow morning and off to Sydney, and then finally back to Vancouver. So thank you for viewing.